Hello friends, namaste and welcome to my channel Ripples on Road. And today, after 49 years, my dream has come true. And a guy, his name is John Dan, he's my nephew, and he fulfilled my dream. And he bought this thing, here it is. So it's a model train, it runs on the track, and it's as good as a real one. So he bought it from Canada. And Johnny, if you're watching, thank you very much once again. And really speaking, I got into the trains because my father was a railway employee, and he worked for railways, Indian Railways in Mumbai, and that's where I got the passion for the trains. And even today, I love to travel by train. And this model train I had seen when I was 10 years old, and I saw it running on the track, and I decided one day I should buy this. And today it's the time has come, and it's in my hand. I'm so happy. So this is the real replica of the real one, which used to run between Chicago and Los Angeles in US, and now it's not operational. So that's about that train, and it was very famous. Many celebrities used to take this journey. So now I'll be showing you the details of this train, and I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I'll show you how it runs on the track too. That is also very interesting. So stay with me, you will really enjoy this video. Thank you very much. Thank you. This is the guy who fulfilled my dream. So here he is. His name is John Dan. We call Johnny. Guys, it is this one which he bought for me, and you can see factory seal. So we'll unbox it. And this was my dream. 49 years back, I saw this train model, and I thought of buying it. So after 49 years, John then fulfilled my dream. And so let me show you. So this is what it looks like. So the name of the company is Lionel, who manufactures this model trains, and the name of the train is Santa Fe. So if any of you would like to start collecting model trains, so this is the right one. So this is on the top is the features of the locomotive and the passenger train. The locomotive is a plastic built, whereas the passenger cars are metal ones. So when I opened this, what I found very interesting is that it has a Bluetooth. So here it is. So it has a Bluetooth. So you can operate it with your mobile also. You don't need that small handy things. So I know that's very important. But this is the real model of the train which ran in US in 1930s. So for my viewers, there's a train still running between Mumbai and Pune. It's known as Deccan Queen, and it had a similar locomotive like this, which is shown in this picture. So, but now it's scrapped. It also started in 1930s, and for last 92 years, this train is still running. And it had many first features, like it was the super fast train in India, the first super fast train. It had a special compartment for women, and also it had the first dining car in the. Very difficult to remove it from this. John, can you come in, help me? Can you pull it out? Guys, let me tell you one thing. It's such a huge thing. This guy, he brought it for me. And he promised me, Kiran uncle, I will surely bring it, whatever it is. And that's love for me, the love and affection what he showed to me. So this comes with what you see here. Is a remote control. This is the connection which you connect with the tracks. This is the spare what you call it traction wheel. So what happens after you run for a few months or years, the traction wheel doesn't support, so you have to change the traction wheel. That's the rubber, which is we call it in a normal language, it's a rubber. So this is the locomotive here. Let me unbox it and show you. So these ribbons, you must be thinking why these ribbons are here. These ribbons are specially to lift the locomotive. You shouldn't lift it straight away. So this is what you do is you take it like this, you hold it like this, and you just press this and take it out, and then you hold it down here. So that's about this. I remove the plastic cover. So guys, here goes this. Let me tell you what's here in this. So friends, this is the model of the train, and this is the locomotive. So I'll be showing the locomotive first, and later on I'll be showing the passenger cars. So this is a starter set. So that starter set means where you get the locomotive, the passenger cars, the track, the electric inputs and everything. So it's for the beginners, and you get everything in this, and you can immediately start playing this model train on the track. So this is about this. So here now I'll show you what's in this. The details of the locomotive I'll show. There's a coupler here. There is one here on the front and one on the back side, so both are functional. So then there is a handlebar here where as it is in the original train locomotive, there are two headlights here which burns when it is on the forward mode, but when you reverse it, this automatically stops working. Then there is two windscreen here, and you can see there are two people inside, and now there is a horn here on the front and on the back. And let me turn on this side. So let me take you this side. Yeah, so there is a number here, and you can see there is a ladder here, and this doors, they don't open. So that's about this. Then there are four engine rooms. There are four windows for the engine room, and you can see the detailing inside, and it's so well crafted, and the paint and all, it looks so beautiful. And here, if you see on the top, there are, let me take you on the top. So guys, if you see on the top, there are four exhausts, but they are not functional. But overall, you can see the detailings, they are so beautiful. And if I come this side, you can see how beautiful it is. You can see the cabin crew here. There are two of them, and this is die cast, so beautifully done. The paint and everything is so beautiful. So this is about the locomotive. I'll show you the passenger cars now. So these are the passenger cars here. So these are the passenger cars. Let me open. So friends, this is the passenger car, so beautifully crafted. And let me show you the details. So as we move front, there is a coupler here, so this on the front and on the back, so both are functional. And there is a door here which if you push it, it opens and closes. There is a brake wheel here, and let me take you this side. Even this door, if you push, it opens and closes. And then there is a die cast wheel here, and so beautiful. There is a plastic window cover here. And if you see inside, you can see the detailings. I'll show you 1 minute, just hold. Yeah, let me off the fly here. Yeah, so inside you can see the detailings. There are chairs here inside, and this is about the passenger car. So now I'll be showing you the last one. So there are 3 passenger cars which comes with this set. So I'll be showing you the last one, because the second one is similar to what I've shown you here. So friends, this is the last one, and here you can see the tail light, but it doesn't burn here. And there is a door also, that's also not functional. But inside you can see the beautiful arrangement of the seats and all. So that's about the last one. Otherwise everything is similar to the last. The door here, this opens and closes, you can see here. Yeah. So that's about the passenger car. There are 3 sets in this. So guys, in India we have a current which is 240. So this train, this model trains, because they come from US, so they run on 110, 120. So you require a downgrade converter. That is, it will bring the current from 240, 220 to 240 to 110, 120.
So this is required, and very interesting. This I got it in Chennai, because in Mumbai you don't get this quality, and this price of this is 1500. So that's why I am oning it here. So you can see the light is on. So this is the attachment which comes with the model train. You just attach it here. It goes here, and now I'm oning here, and you can see there's a light there. I off it and on it. So I offed it. It will take some time for getting switched off, and slowly the light will go off. Now I'm oning it back. So the current is running on the railway track. So guys, as I on the switch, you can see, yes, so you can see all the lights on, the front headlight, the cabin light inside. You can see two crewmen, they are sitting there, and the passenger car are all illuminated. So the passenger cars are all illuminated. You can see that. So friends, let me show you how this works. So here's the remote control. I can do it with my app also on the mobile, but today I'm starting with this. So here is the horn. So I'll press this. Just let me focus it here. Yeah. Then the bell, and the announcements.
Welcome aboard the Santa Fe Super Jeep.
So we are going to start.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Super Chief is departing. All aboard the Santa Fe Super Chief.
So just turn this forward mode little bit, and it starts. You can see it has started. I will increase the speed slowly.
Please have your tickets ready. Thank you.
So now I'll show you how it works on the reverse mode. So you can see I'll turn this to the reverse. You can see here is the reverse. I'll just focus it. Yeah. So here is the reverse. So I'll turn the knob to the reverse. So you can see the headlights have turned off, and now it will go in the reverse mode.